the Wealth Accelerator. How are you going to accelerate your money in your home? So what we're going to talk about today, welcome back everybody. And if you're new to our channel, I'm Vanessa, the Hill Country Queen, and this is Will.
How you doing?
What we're going to talk today about is how to take your assets and make more money.
Interesting. I like this.
And this is straight up real estate, no BS.
Well, I think you're bringing up a topic that people are always wanting to know, but they're just afraid to ask because that's above my pay grade. Well, and the mentality is because they don't know and they're afraid to ask.
It's uncomfortable.
Yes.
It's not uncomfortable anymore.
There you go.
Information is the key to success, and we're always going to be giving you the best information. Well, Will's going to teach us today about a couple of things, and we're going to use this scenario so everybody has something to ground themselves to. We're going to talk about homes here in the Texas Hill Country. We're going to target a neighborhood specifically called Vintage Oaks, which is a neighborhood that you can Google very easily and know, okay, this is where it's at. This is what the homes look like.
Sure.
How do I use it to my advantage? All right. I think I have $200,000 in equity, I think. And I want to do something else with it. How do I do it? And how do I know that I have $200,000?
So a lot of people think that the only way that they can access that equity of $200,000 is to get a home equity loan.
Okay.
Okay. Which is yes and no.
Okay.
But the problem with that is that those monies that the home has right now, or the loan that's on it right now, they probably bought that house 4 to 5 years ago, 6 years ago, and those rates were what?
3%.
2%.
Oh.
Okay.
This is a lesson. This is a lesson.
So at that point, they're like, well, honey, we got to get a home equity loan. But guess what? My rate at 2% or 3% is gone because I have to refinance that and access my $200,000. Right? That's the only way I can do it. But it's going to be at 6.5 now.
Okay.
Well, at that point, they're like, we're done. We can't do it. That's not true. What a lot of people don't see, and the thing is that it's kind of sad, and this is, I think, on the lending side where a lot of greed comes into place, is that the originator will say, that's the only option you have. Why? Because it's a larger loan amount, which equals what? Larger commissions.
That's right.
Okay, well, that's wrong.
Okay.
Because if you're really working for your borrower, okay, if they're at a first lien right now,
okay,
at a 3% rate, leave that shit alone.
Did y'all hear that?
Leave it alone.
Leave that alone.
You're never going to get a 3%, 3.5%, or 4% ever again.
Never. Not in our lifetime in the United States.
And that monthly payment is probably less than $2,500 on a $400,000 home back then. Leave it alone. But what you can do is there's that margin that you have of equity, because remember, in the state of Texas, you can go up to 80% of the appraised value, okay, which is loan to value.
Okay, I feel like we need some numbers.
Okay.
So $400,000 I owe.
If the appraised value is $400,000, okay.
If I bought it for $400,000
right,
6
and
years
now
ago.
you owe. Okay, right now currently you owe $150,000.
Okay, love it.
So now you're at $150,000. Let me bring out my little calculator here. Okay.
Yes, and this is important. I want you guys to see the numbers in real time and do the numbers in real time. This is how we are educated.
So now I'm at a 37% LTV.
Okay.
Loan to value. So
loan
basically,
to value, 37%.
100 minus 37%. That's I have extra margin, 63% value. Okay. So remember, I can go up to 80%.
Okay.
So 400,000. We're going to base on appraised value of 400,000.
That's right. Easy money, folks. Easy money.
Times 80%. So I'll go up to 320.
So how much money does that mean?
So that means you have left to come out of, and how much is the amount that we owe right
150.
now? 150. You can access 170,000.
Okay, now this is important. Take that $170,000 and what are you going to do? You're going to call me, and we're not going to buy one house. We're going to buy two or three.
And the way you do that is you don't get a home equity loan. You get a home equity line of credit.
Okay, did y'all hear the word? We just kept our 3%. We're accessing our money
On a second lien.
on a second lien. It's just an additional payment.
It's the same thing anyways.
That's right. It's just like making a car payment.
Yes.
Then you're going to take that money and you're going to make that money work for you. You have to stop being scared at the first block. You got to take that money and do what all the wealthy people are doing. They're taking their money and saying, "No, I've got $170,000. Let's go buy some stuff. Let's go make that money work." And now that you know that I've got access to a 93% DNA that's going to tell us what the house is worth and how much we can rent it for, and I'm going to shoot that right back to Will, and he's going to say, "All right, we've got some options here. Which houses do you want? Not which house are you going to get, but how many houses do you want to build your family's root system?"
And the majority of the time, I can almost guarantee you that that what you're going to rent out those properties for are going to cover your HELOC payment plus the mortgage that you have right now.
All right. Did y'all just hear that? You were taking your equity, the money that you're already sitting on. You're sitting on a pile of money. And you can either sit on that money forever and hope it works out, or you can take your pile of money and go do something with it.
Yep.
That's how the wealthy get wealthy and stay wealthy.
They're not afraid of debt.
No. It's just debt. If you can pay it, what does it matter?
No. If you can have somebody else pay it for you,
what does it
doesn't
matter? Okay,
There you
I
go.
like that. So if you have that 3% or that 2% interest rate on your house, I do myself,
leave it alone. Don't mess with it.
but we're going to do an equity line of credit. That's how you guys are going to get where you need to go. But remember, we're going to take advantage of all the AI tools that are out there. And they're out there. Remember, it's the CIA. And CIA is really the CAI, but we like it CIA. And that is how we're going to know all the information to help you make better decisions, to have more homes, to have more wealth for the root system of your family. Because really, that's all that matters, is the root system of your family.
And going back to the home equity line of credit,
Yes.
for the first 5 years of that payment, it's interest only.
Ooh. Did y'all hear that?
It's interest only.
Interest only. So you're going to have more homes. And now this is something else I can't stress enough. We don't have to just buy first-time home buyer houses.
No.
We can buy the second and the third in the better neighborhoods. Like there's master plan communities, and we're going to talk about New Braunfels again. There's a master plan community called Veramendi. We just did this in December. We bought 2 homes.
Yes, we did.
We bought 2 homes. Both of those homes can rent out for over $3,000 a month. Those house payments were $1,750, $1,795. It's a lot of profit.
Absolutely.
So this is the part where we tell you generational wealth is here. Your family root system is here. Do not be scared about losing your 2 and 3%, because you're not. But what you are going to do is you're going to level up. So if you are interested in having data and having your money work for you, for your family, then I need you to DM us and put in the words accelerate, and Will or I, or both of us, will contact you, and we're going to teach you how to do this. We're going to show you the way to the promised land, because you can be just as rich and just as wealthy as you want to be. This is up to you now. So this is not up to me. This is up to you.
It's time to level up.
Level up.
That's what you need to do.
Everybody, if you're interested in this, just let us know. We are happy to help you. We are here to serve you and show you what we already know. So as always, we hope to see you around town, and maybe I'll get to say, welcome to my neighborhood.
Yay.
All right, everybody.
Bye.